Are you tired of being underappreciated, underpaid, and not living your best life? I know that there are those of you out there who want to fire the boss so you can be the boss. I know you want to start your own shop or business and you're wondering, how do we do that? We know that there are plenty of things that can be overwhelming in that process, such as forming the business entity with your state, insurance for both you and your business, your health, navigating leases or real estate contracts for your shop, or even the financial side of actually running your business. Mechanic Alliance has the resources that you need to get you and your business up and running and to help you be successful. It's been said that the best time to start working on your dreams and goals was yesterday. The second best time is today. So now is the right time to start working towards your goals and achieving your dreams. The demand for mechanics is definitely growing, especially with some of the more complex diagnostics and repairs associated with new hybrid and electric vehicles that are becoming more common. By opening your own shop, you gain control over your career and your future. Let's talk about some of the things you need to know to make the most of this opportunity. Some will try and tell you that it's complicated to start your own business, and I'm here to tell you that with the right partners, it's not as overwhelming as it may seem. Proper planning is the foundation to making things work like you need them, and that starts with a business plan. A business plan basically is a document that shows what you need to achieve with your shop, how many employees you may have, or even if you're going to be a solo operation or like a mobile mechanic, or if you're going to have a more physical location like a shop. A business plan can start to give you a clear vision so that you can focus on the parts to make that happen, and Mechanics Alliance can help you with writing out a business plan that can lead you to the success that you want to have. Let's dig a little deeper and ask some of the questions that will help you determine what you want to do with your business. Do you want to start from scratch, or are you looking to acquire an already established business? Some feel that starting off on their own may be their only option, where there may be times when you have the opportunity to start with something that's already established. No matter where you start, Mechanic Alliance and our programs like My Certified Mechanic are here to help you and make it easier to attract the right clients and the right partners. Let's talk about the physical location of your business. If you're starting a mobile shop, then you have a lot less to worry about in this department. If you're starting a physical shop, choosing a location that is both convenient and cost-effective is important. You also have the opportunity to look at leasing a building or building it if you want to have complete control over the facility. Either way you want to go, Mechanic Alliance is here to help you make sure that you can make the best decisions for your business. If you need help going over lease contracts or real estate contracts, we can help you go through those and help you make sure that you're getting the things you want out of the property. Next up is the equipment. If you've been a mechanic for any length of time, you probably have a good start on your own arsenal of tools and equipment. I realize that may not include big things like a lift or alignment machines or air compressors or other equipment that you need depending on what part of the market you're in. This feeds into your business plan to help you determine what your potential costs may be. Don't get scared if the costs seem out of your reach. Having a solid plan helps you secure the funding that you may need and help address some of those needs versus want items. Mechanic Alliance has contacts with the right lenders that understand the industry to get you and the funding that you need to help you be successful. Once you start to get some of those other things figured out, you can start to think about how you're going to market yourself and your business. I know that we're mechanics and not marketing professionals, but let me ask some questions to start to make you think. What makes your shop unique? What services do you offer? Do you have the ability to offer pickup and drop off of customer cars, or do you have a really easy payment system? Are you in a specialized part of the industry like electrical repair or specializing in electric vehicles? These are things that you may have started to answer in your business plan that are now starting to come together. Mechanic Alliance and My Certified Mechanic can help you get to the part of the industry and market that you want to be in. By now, you're getting to the point where you can think about the business entity. This is the part where some get lost and some find it to be really confusing, as there can be a lot of paperwork, licensing, and requirements with your state. Mechanic Alliance can help you navigate through those forms and requirements so that you can get back to what you really want to do. You want to wrench, you want to run the shop, we want to help you do that. There's a few more things that you may want to think about, and that's things like technical training, insurance for your business, and health insurance and benefits for you and your employees, if you choose to go down that road. Mechanic Alliance has the resources and contacts to help you get the most value for your money and we save you time by being able to offer these resources to you. Mechanic Alliance and My Certified Mechanic are here to help you no matter where you may be in your business. Sign up and let us help you make the most out of your business.